New intelligence in your hands. Palm-sized comfort. Quality felt in a single touch. Pick it up and feel your creativity surge. AI gives form to your vision. It analyzes the brightness, subject, distance, and background with precision. Just frame the shot, and AI will suggest effective settings. Simply tap to select your favorite of 4 suggested options. Suddenly, ordinary moments take on new life. And that joy will inspire your inner photographer. AI suggests the most photogenic angle. Simply choose one to completely restyle the shot. Just point the camera where you want. AI Camera Assistant enhances expressive imagery for both the background and people in the shot. The image sensor for the telephoto lens is now approximately 4 times larger than the previous model. The improved sensor captures distant subjects in high resolution, even in low lighting. RAW multi-frame processing eliminates noise for breathtaking dynamic range. Human pose estimation technology recognizes and tracks the subject's physique. Auto-framing, now available on telephoto cameras, allows you to simultaneously record video of both entire scenes and close-ups. It captures every moment with a precise focus on the eyes. High-quality wired audio delivers crystal-clear sound, conveying every emotion of the artist. Stunning realism. A high-luminance display that remains clear and vivid, even in direct sunlight. An immersive audio experience right in your palm. The upgraded full-stage stereo speakers deliver rich audio and vivid surround sound. A fully charged battery lasts up to 2 days. Expect a long battery life even after 4 years. Your world brought to life. Xperia 1 Mark 8.